Hey guys, back in the garden again. I harvested my pumpkin. Looks amazing. I'm going to show the clip down here. So today I went and got some straw at the feed store, and we're going to start laying it down all over the garden, put the garden to sleep for the winter. But I'm going to show you what it looks like now after we pulled most of the weeds. I mean, we couldn't get every single little weed, but you know, it's okay. I'll show you. Well, here we are at the garden, and I wanted to show you my pumpkin. Look how pretty it looks. It's orange. Look at the size compared to my hand. Let's turn it over and see. It looks great. We're gonna cut it today. And there's some weird bugs around it. Like, I don't know what the heck that thing is. Let's see if I can zoom in. I don't know. Ew. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Anyway, here it is. So here's what's left. I still have some Swiss chard there, and my Cuban pepper plant, which is called cachucha, which is that one. But look, everything else we have to start covering in straw. Now these lines are a watering system. See, the water comes out of there. I have them up and down the rows of all of this. It's a self-watering system on a timer that my husband bought at Lowe's, and I love it. I usually supplement with watering because honestly I enjoy watering, but when I don't have time to, it's just another option. So look at the chili pepper plant. Aren't they gorgeous? I'm gonna be doing some cooking with these. My pineapple sage is huge. It's about as tall as I am. This little area here is, sometimes I have flowers here, but this is a perennial chamomile. Comes up every year. I pick flowers off it. I love it. So here's the rest of it. That mulch we're supposed to lay here. We'll see what's gonna happen. Here's the rest of it. So I'm gonna go start on that. And Joe is in the back of our property cleaning something up, and he'll probably join me later. But anyway, wanted to give you guys a little look. See, here's more of that watering system right there. See the tube? It just spins and waters everything for me. All right, guys, I'll be back.